hoping to really find myself here, transfer to a 4-year, keep working with the rising scholars. So hopefully a lot comes in the future for me and for all system impacted youth.
I think today's event accomplished its goal was to educate our campus about our culture and set the tone for what you could expect from rising scholars on campus. All of our students have amazing potential. There's no limits to what they could go on to accomplish, and they have that extra bit of motivation of once being disenfranchised and now being enfranchised and able to find success in higher education.
I love that our colleges, including IVC, have these fabulous programs, and I just wish all the students the great success.
It's ways to help improve yourself, it's ways to help improve your life and your health and your wealth, 100%. It feels good to be here. It feels good to know that I'm making an impact in the future, making a change in the world, 100%.
I felt I needed to highlight some of the voices that are part of this movement that are currently not with us right now.
If you guys as well, if you guys know any system impacted youth, bring them to Rising Scholars. You know, we're here with our arms open for all of us. So thank you guys for